And we start out with 1,000.
Yep, I got my side.
And we got like 200 from the last match, right?
Welcome to the jungle, motherfuckers.
Alright, one of the things for this is to get 30 pistol kills.
Okay, I don't have a scope, but you... Okay, well, that's good to know. You got that scope?
Crouch.
Yeah, I got the sight.
Then I'm gonna switch to... I'm definitely switching to that shit for now. And I might use my car comm again.
I'm using that fucking, basically M4.
Yeah, that's what I've got. I like the picture for headshots a lot.
Up, I'm out in the
pouring
open.
out, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, I was up there and then...
I got 5 kills already. Oh, it's you, Jesus fucking Christ.
What's up, man? Whew.
Oh shit, someone's behind us.
This gun is a lot better than the other one.
Oh my god, he shot me right into the face. How am I not dead?
They just pour, like, fly at you.
Yeah, they just fucking roadhouse.
0 bucks.
Do I do it to you? I don't know how to do this.
Oh, dude, he laid down.
You right click to give it yourself, you left click to give it to someone else.
Yeah.
Look at me,
Oh yeah, I got ammo.
knowing stuff.
I gave it to Blake. I gave some to Blake though.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
Ammoed up, son.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a good way to get points, honestly.
I'm gonna rock the pistol for a little while, so I can get us those 30 kills.
Go ahead.
If I can even get the kills. Pistol's pretty weak. Up top, up top.
Whoa!
Shit, you just got raped.
Yeah, that hurt.
Ow, yeah. What is that? How do...
Sniper, way the fuck off. Is that him that took you out?
Somebody popped him
Yeah.
hard.
Yeah, no, it was that sniper. And yeah, he fucked me hard.
Damn.
This game just looks really good to me for a free-to-play game. I don't know why I keep thinking about that. And it's not like amazing looking, just for a free-to-play game. It looks really good.
Oh god, he's behind. Oh wait, that's
Tim.
you.
Hey Tim.
Oh hey.
Yeah, no, I came back with a vengeance.
I may or may not have shot you, Walter.
Your kills reset when you die. Hear me?
Yeah, don't die. Don't die.
Because mine went back down to 2. Like, I got 2 kills and I realized it. Lost. Oh shit! I thought that was you!
I got you. I'll save you. I got you, bun, sweetie.
Yeah, that pistol sucks.
You gonna learn today.
It's like a...
Just running people down.
Damn!
Yeah. This is pretty sick.
What if this was how the army worked? Just one guy with a sniper and everyone else just had pistols.
Hell yeah. Can I be the guy with the sniper?
Yes.
Yeah.
I feel like if I was ever in the military, that's what I would be doing. Just sharpshooter.
Doing
Oh,
a
yeah.
fucking scout snipe.
Yeah.
Hey, wait up, Blake.
Nice.
Headshots with missiles, son.
Hell yeah, I saw that. Fuck you, Glass. Yeah. Thank you, Sam.
I wonder if we can get Blake up there.
Where? Me?
Yeah.
Can you hit E? Or is it just like certain? I think it might.
It'll show you places where you can.
Yeah.
Oh, I need ammo. Shit.
Oh,
I'm out.
God.
I was like, why am I not firing?
Gonna learn today. I'm really low on health.
Whoa!
Destructive environment?
Just
Yes.
went down.
I shot 3 and killed the sniper. It was worth it.
Did someone die?
He's going ham with a pistol.
Dude, this is sick. I need to start getting some kills with a knife. Going in!
I'm just trying to get us those that achievement.
Shield guy, he's coming at me.
Prison Shank!
Hell yeah, dude. I like this shit. This is awesome.
This game's really fun.
Yeah. Alright, there's a little thing up here you can boost. I think we can just boost each
We
other.
gotta evacuate.
Get to the helicopter for extraction.
Oh shit, who's shooting?
He's up top, I'm pretty sure. No, found him.
Climb it. Oh shit. Go climb it. Is it, you wanna do it?
I got you.
Oh, sweet. Alright.
I got 2 fingers to put up your poop chute.
Come on, buddy.
I actually really like that
I
mechanic
fell off. What the shit?
as well.
Well, that was. Wait, why did it make you. Alright.
I don't know. I just kind of fatted to bind you. Jump up. Jump up. Right
Oh.
there.
I was just kind of. Eh. Alright, SEAL Team 6, go, go, go! Yeah!
Die! I'm a traitor!
We did it! He's the greatest.
Knife
We're
party.
playing Gary's mod.
I just...
Gary's mod.
Oh,
I like stabbing them in the head, because just like, look at their head just freak out.
Oh, we have to do grenader action. What does that mean?
Oh, so this is all of us, okay. Oh, so we all pick. Okay, now I understand the snipes with pistols. God damn it.
you pig stick it! You
Yeah,
legitimately like pig stick.
pig stick. Alright, oh, so this year's like all of us. Like, we can all work on these things together.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Alright, pistol it is.
God damn it, Leroy. You're stupid as hell.
Whew, grazed it. I hardly saw his head.
Oh shit. There's a lot.
This thing is just like freaking out right now.
Boom!
Nice.
Skull Hunter.
Every time I go to shoot at someone, Blake just snipes them.
It's my thing.
It's like every time I go to get a
Oh
kill,
God!
Blake's ahead of me.
Woo!
Alright, I'm gonna pistol for a little while.
That was a thing. I'm just sucking right now.
Fucking shotgun, son.
My controls are kind of like freaking
This
out.
is done.
Alright, sweet.
Rifle.
Oh God! I threw a grenade! Pig stick!
Yeah, I'm just putting a knife in now.
We going here?
Oh, we gotta set the charge there. Oh, never mind. I'll do it. Okay.
I got it.
Cut your throat! I love the feeling of blood on my
Butcher.
face.
Do the door.
I'm gonna lick my blade. Lick my blade when we're done. Oh hey! Hello team!
Got the battle madness, guys. I just want to cut and kill.
God, I suck.
Can you guys get the sniper up? Okay. Yeah, no, there's a sniper up on the... Never mind, I got it. I don't know why. For a second I was like, I've only got a knife.
You good over there? Dude, this is legit. I like it. Oh!
No, I like it a lot too.
I like that I can shoot through you guys, which is a whole lot of fun.
It's just kind of like it's...
Like floating this.
I don't know, somehow it feels less serious than like COD, just because it's so ridiculous
Yep.
What the shit?
in its own way.
Oh, we go
Just
out.
like the fact that you can pig stick and like knifing's so awesome,
You get the.
but in such a strange...
Ah!
Oh! Ow!
Yeah, I love how our C4 has like a 2-second charge on it.
Yeah, we...
Oh!
What is going on? There's like a weird noise. I'm getting beat with a stick.
I'm almost dead. I love you.
As soon as I... Dude, something's wrong.
What?
I'm hearing this really weird noise.
You're welcome.
Is that you?
I
You're
don't have no
welcome.
idea what the fuck's going on.
What weird noise?
Do you hear it?
Is it in the game?
I don't know.
Tim's freaking out, guys.
I'm scared my mic's broken.
Did she throw it? Hey, we gotta push this van.
Oh wow. Yeah, I'm hearing it now.
What is that? Is that because of the explosion?
Probably.
Is this still doing it?
Yeah.
Your ears are ringing?
No, it's making like this really weird sound. Do you hear it?
Correct. I don't. I wasn't next to the explosion.
This is
Please.
terrible.
I don't know how to stop it. I don't know what to do.
Probably gonna have to like shut it down.
I don't know that it's the game.
Why am I dying?
It's gotta be the game, because if mine's doing it too,
I
it's
think
gotta
it's
be the
raid
game.
call.
No, I can't hear
Oh,
game
no.
audio at all.
I didn't think.
Oh god.
Okay, one sec.
I can't hear anything out of the game.
Your character went legitimately deaf because of the explosion.
Yeah, no kidding.
No, I'm exiting the game and it's still happening. I'm really. I'm gonna shut down the game through task
It's not
manager.
my mic somehow. 'Cause
No,
you
this
guys
is
are hearing-
weird.
It's Warface. I just shut down Warface and stopped. Warface freaked out for me.
Did it stop after that?
Yeah, I had to exit out of Warface though.
Oh my god. Yeah.
But after I did that, yeah, it stopped.
Get to the evacuation. I'm gonna close it. This sound. Oh my god, this sound. I'm dead.
Something happened. Well, here, how much footage did we get from doing that?
I got like 2,000, like 2 gigs worth. Alright, I'm gonna close mine out. What the hell?
Yeah, we'll play some more later. I just want to talk to you guys. Here, let's all convene in the living room.
I might die!
Oh, I forgot Waldo's still playing. I want to watch Waldo play, actually.
Yeah. He's still going ham. Dude, that was terrible.
Yeah, that was, I don't know what that was. That was the worst.
It's just.
Well, here, I'm going to the living room now.
Did you make it to the mission, Waldo?
Lone wolfing, dude. I made it to the evacuation. Yeah!